Here is Petter.
And that, Julian, is not the way he wanted to start the day. That's a bizarre incident.
That's it, and he comes to a sudden halt against the electric pole, which is fall down.
Oh, my word. Well, the good news is there that none of the spectators were injured, Julian, but it was bad news for Solberg.
That's it. He just seemed to run wide, didn't he? Here it is from the in-car. That's that corner Jari went wide on, down into the ditch. Through. He's now powering through it to try and not lose momentum, and he's just gone straight across the stage without realising it and straight into the pole.